The restaurant industry as a whole has grown by 1.1% over the last year. However, the fast casual sector of that industry grew by 3.1%, and now it represents 20% of the entire restaurant industry. So we've seen a lot of growth within the fast casual industry, even through this down economy. A lot of people were doing fine dining, casual dining, are now in a sense trading down to where they're now finding themselves into a fast casual setting. They still want the high quality food, they want the hospitality, where you can't necessarily find that in a quick serve, but you can in a fast casual. As these fast casual concepts continue to gain more competition from the casual dining, from the quick service who's stepping up their game, some of the fast casual brands who've been around for some time have to change some of the ways they're doing things. They have to differentiate themselves. And by doing this, they're delivering food to the table. So the guests that have been dining at the casual dining, the fine dining, they expect a certain level of service, and they're not expecting to lose that when they go to fast casual. Well, that costs restaurateurs money, because now I have to provide labor to do that. So you've got to be able to implement some technology to maximize that labor dollar spent, and you got to stay on your game. So you've got to implement these technologies, from the line busting to the point of sale company you choose, to the kitchen display or kitchen video system. But now you have Table Tracker available, and Table Tracker is going to help you get the food to the guest as quickly as possible. Table Tracker is a complete solution to help measure the dining experience from the time the guests place the order to the time they actually leave the restaurant. They've used this technology to really jump in and see, hey, where are we succeeding and where do we need to put some more emphasis? Do I need to put more labor on this? Do I need as much labor as I have? I really get to dictate my operations from this. And again, the guests are the ones who win from this. I mean, they really love it. You can go on the web and see people talking about how cool it is that they used Table Tracker to find where I was. So I wasn't having to wait or look for my food or listen to someone yelling names or numbers over the overhead my entire dining experience. So again, I encourage every restaurateur, adapt the technology to your restaurants. It will help your guests, it will help your staff, it will help your bottom line as well.